We're looking at under cabinet hoods with a vented hood manufacturer. We see here the professional lip design is just a squared off look. That's the PRH9. The Nouveau lip design is going to be the NPH9, a rounded lower lip. And we have the emerald cut lip design, the SLH9. Some call this the diamond cut. And we have this barrel form hood here. It's going to be called the Excalibur. It does feature stainless steel bands and clip corners. Notice all the units in this series are 9 inches tall, designed to mount under a cabinet, and the recommended mounting height is between 24 and 27 inches. The units in this series feature LED lighting and a feature called Sensor Source, which changes the blower speed based on temperature. We also have their patented Easy Clean system. It reveals these motors that drain liquid grease into a pan below. That slides out very easily. Cleanup takes less than a minute. In the widths of 30, 36, 42, and 48, you're going to find that we have both a single blower model, 300 CFM, that does require one 6-inch diameter pipe, and we have the double blower series that's going to give you 600 CFM requiring an 8-inch diameter pipe. Reducing this pipe will have an impact on total suction. Watch my video Ducting Do's and Don'ts on this channel for other tricks and tips on installation. In this under cabinet series, you'll also have on some of the wider units, including the 42, you begin to see a triple blower option. This is 900 CFM. It requires a 10-inch diameter pipe. You can also vent this 2 individual pipes, 6 and 8. And when you reach 48-inch width, we have a quadruple blower model. That's 1200 CFM. It's going to require a 12-inch diameter pipe or 2 side-by-side 8-inch diameter pipes. Keep in mind, these two are not quick ship items, but we can order them. Reach out to KitchenFoundry.com.